It's definitely a big change, especially being 23. It is just different to come in and live with the family again in general when I've been living on my own for a couple years. So that in general has just been a really big change. But I really do enjoy my Spanish family. It's really nice getting to try new foods, practice a little bit of Spanish, teach a little bit of English. But yeah, it's just a big change being in someone's house again, but overall it's really culturally enriching and I love it, yeah. The biggest difficulty for me personally has been my lack of Spanish ability. I studied a little bit of Spanish prior to coming here, but I definitely wasn't at a conversational level. So kind of just getting past small talk is really difficult for me, especially because I work mostly with teachers who don't speak much English. So that's been really challenging for me, trying to make sure that I'm doing the right things in the classroom and stuff. But if you speak better Spanish, then that isn't a problem. But I think that's been my own personal challenge. I think that is very situational, because I know for me personally at the school I'm at, I'm definitely more just helping the teachers, and they kind of plan all the activities and just kind of tell me how I can be helpful in every classroom that I'm sent to. But I know some other volunteers have said like they kind of get put on the spot with like, oh, can you teach the students this today? And they're kind of like, oh, I don't actually know how to lead a classroom because I'm not a teacher. So I think it depends on what the school expects and what the teachers in the classrooms expect. Because if they are expecting someone to really come in and lead English lessons, then you definitely want someone who has teaching experience. But if you're really just looking for someone to help the students with their conversation and grammar and teach them a couple phrases and words as you go along, then I don't think you need teaching experience. Would I recommend this program? I definitely would recommend this program because I'm having a great time so far. For the volunteer Teach in Spain program specifically, I think that I would recommend choosing this program if you are pretty competent in Spanish, because you are living with the host family and you are going to be working in smaller villages and cities that not as many people speak Spanish. So in my host family, only one member speaks English, so that's definitely been challenging for me. And then at my school, only about 2 or 3 teachers speak English. So I do wish that personally I either knew more Spanish or I was maybe doing the Madrid program where English is a little bit more widespread. So that's, I think, the only critique I would have is that if you're doing the volunteer program, I think that they should select people that speak a little better Spanish. Define this program with one word. I would say interesting. Right.